Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and here we are at the launch of the all-new Honor 8X. So this is how it looks like. Really premium design, power-packed phone. In this video, we'll see a quick look of the all-new Honor 8X. So friends, this is the all-new Honor 8X in front of you. It looks really gorgeous. The design of Honor phones has been always very impressive. And as you can see, it has this dual texture back made of glass. Front is glass, but the durability is there with the metallic frame you get here, and it has this 2.5D curved glass, which makes the phone a very durable to hand, like in the hand, and you know, the hand holding of the phone becomes quite easy. Along with that, as you can see, this impressive back, don't worry about the glass. It is a 15-layer glass, aurora glass protection, so it is quite tough, no issues with that. And of course, it makes it look very premium. Can you see the gradations which are coming as the light changes, and it makes the phone look really eye-catchy. Talking about the screen, a screen is a massive screen of 6.5 inches full HD plus screen, and this notch is not very big, neither too small. It is a medium-sized notch in which the notification light as well as the earphone and the front camera is placed very perfectly. And you can see the chin of the phone is really thin and slim. It's like almost a bezel-less with a 91% of screen to body ratio. So you can see the touch response is really smooth and snappy, and the viewing angles are simply nice, no issues with that. So talking about the design of the camera, at the back we have this dual camera setup, which is AI based with a flash and the fingerprint sensor. Here you get a micro USB charging port and the speaker grill, along with 3.5mm audio jack and the mouthpiece. On the top there's this noise cancellation secondary mic. Yeah, not to miss out, we have a triple slot here. In this same slot we have the triple slot, so it has a dedicated micro SD card slot along with two SIM slots. That makes the phone really you know, handy, and you don't have to carry two phones. This phone is more than enough. And as well as I'll not forget to mention this thing, that it has a 400 GB of SD card expansion capacity. So overall, if you take the phone of you know, internal memory already as 128 GB, so overall it becomes 528 GB plus the RAM. So in total there'll be no problem in the spacing or, you know, heavy gaming. You can load on it, and as well as multiple apps, so you can customize your phone and have a lot of data in it. Also, one more good thing in the screen is it has a eye protection capability. That means it protects your eyes from the harmful rays which are generated from the mobiles and the smartphones and the laptops. So it protects your eyes from that. Let's run through the settings quickly. Go to About Phone. So as you can see, devices on 8X has EMUI version 8.2 here, Android version 8.1 audio, and it has a processor of it has an octa-core processor, high silicon Kirin 710. That's a quite powerful processor, and it is the latest one from Honor. Talking about the RAM in this particular device is a 4 GB, and the phone storage is 64 GB. So there are three variants available: 464, 664, and 128. So you get a lot of choices in the price as well, and you can buy as per your requirement. It has GPU turbo, which is a real pleasure for the people who are into mobile gaming. They really enjoy GPU turbo. It has a 3750 mAh of battery with a lot of power saving options. so the battery will not drain out fast. Let's check out the camera section. So the back dual camera is a 20 plus 2 megapixel camera. So 20 is the primary camera and 2 is the depth sensing lens. And so okay, so first option here given is the scanner, so in which you can just scan and it will help you in the shopping. So it behaves like your friend to help you in shopping. As well as you have flash, moving picture mode, AI option. So I've seen really a good difference between, you know, a photo which is taken with AI and without AI. These are some additional settings. Talking about other modes, it has a panorama, HDR, the watermark, and slow-mo. Slow-mo is not just the normal slow-mo, it has a super slow-mo mode as well. Light painting, normal color filters, pro mode is also there, AR lens, time lapse, and other things. So here we have, you know, we can set the aperture as we want, night mode, portrait, photo, and a video. So this is how it goes. Talking about the front camera, so the front camera is a 16 megapixel front shooter. It captures a lot of details. I'll just show you some of the pictures which I just clicked it with the front and the back, both the cameras. So in the front also you have the night mode and flash. Along with that, if you go to more, in the front also we get the slow-mo, panorama, HDR, light painting, AR Pro, time lapse, and a download. So, and the modes here are night. In the front also you get the night mode, a portrait, photo, video, and more. I'll just run through some of the pictures. I just tried to click here on the launch event. So you can see the selfies of Honor phones have been really great always. I really liked it. Some more back camera shots. So I tried with AI and non-AI, beauty and without beauty. There's several shots, took some videos as well, which I'll be uploading in a separate video for you guys. So these are some shots. So you can see the difference. So one is in the portrait mode, another one is normal photo mode. Yeah, I like this one. It is an Amazon exclusive device. It is available in 3 variants, which is 4 plus 64, 6 plus 64, and 6 plus 128. So it starts from 14,999. That means the 4GB variant starts from 14,999, and going forward 16,999 and 18,999 respectively. So this is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite. Till then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye.